Hello, we're here at the Wildlands Conservancy in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and we're currently sitting in Benjamin's garden, and I really think places like this are a great example of the United States as a whole being aware of nature conservation. So we're going to keep walking around and taking a tour of the place.
I know in Colombia we didn't have this type of nature. I mean, the hills are basically bare with cocaine plants. It's really beautiful how here in America we do get to see nature, and I'm very excited for this tour. I love nature.
I don't see any nature.
Let's go to Narnia.
Now this is an example of a place that humans built to gather, to appreciate nature as a group. It's really something beautiful.
As you can see, this animal shelter that I built is predominantly for bears and mountain cougars. The thistle, also known as grass, allows animals to come into the ground for their winter hibernation. In addition, the cubs of the bears use the grass to eat to strengthen their teeth.
We built this ourselves so that they can survive through the long winter months, you know. So we really care about the animals, and we just want them to be able to survive.
So it's really neat when they survive.
It's really neat.
This is fungus. How neat is that? Wow. See all that nature living in there.
How can you tell it's fungus?
Because it's yellow and it's just fungus. It's just the way it is.
Oh, that's really neat.
That's really neat.
Oh, this is an ant hill. I think there's an ant in there. Hello, come on out.
Oh,
there he
Mr.
is.
Ant.
Come back.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at the flowers.
Oh, they smell real great.
These flowers are called purple lilies,
You can tell because they're the color purple.
and they look like lilies.
right here, you can see behind me, is a residential area. It's a real shame that these people live in such close quarters with the nature here, because we Americans can tend to endanger the lives of the wildlife, and that's not neat.
As you can tell, if you close in the house over there, you can tell that nature will always overcome human expansion. You can tell that the house is slowly losing its composure, slowly losing the quality of living. But the trees around the house demonstrate how nature will always overcome. Wow. That's just beautiful. Nothing in humans can make this. It's actual wood, it's not just wood. It's just a testament to nature's beauty.